Hey everybody, welcome to the show today. I'm going to be showing you how to do Wagyu beef cheeseburgers. You know, Wagyu beef has become all the rage lately, and so today I'm going to be showing you how you can quickly put together some of the best Wagyu beef cheeseburgers you've ever had. And of course, we're going to do it all right here on the Ninja Woodfire Grill. What you want to watch for is the bun, because that's going to be the big surprise, and it's going to kick these burgers just to the next level. So are you ready to go? Let me show you how to do these Wagyu beef cheeseburgers. Okay guys, we're going to go ahead and get the grill set up, the Ninja Woodfire Grill. I'm going to turn the machine on. I'm going to go to the grill mode, which already is there. I'm going to press the Woodfire flavor button, set the time for about 1 hour. Of course, it won't take anything near that long. And now we're just going to press start. It's going to go through the ignition stages. It'll get rid of some of the bad smoke first, and we'll be ready to go in about 15 or 20 minutes. Let's go back inside and get those Wagyu burgers ready to go. Hey everybody, this is Peter and welcome to the show today. We're going to be doing something a little special, and these are Wagyu beef burgers. We're going to be making Wagyu cheeseburgers out on the Ninja Woodfire Grill. Now, I went out a while ago and got the grill going for us, as I showed you when we started the video. So now we're ready to go outside and put the burgers on the grill. Let me go over the list of ingredients with you because they're super simple. I have here 4 Wagyu beef burgers right here, and then I have something special, which is some everything bagels, and that's what I'm going to be using for our buns today. So to make it really interesting and really delicious. Here I have 8 pieces of American cheese. I'm using American cheese because it melts really, really well. The only seasoning I'm putting on the burgers today is this one, and it's a salt, pepper, garlic blend. You can get it from any store pretty much these days. So let me just put a little bit of that on. There we go. Okay, let's go outside and put these burgers on the Ninja Woodfire Grill. Okay, our grill is ready. Been heating up for a good 20 minutes or so. I like to get it nice and hot. So I'll put the burgers on. It will not take very long to cook. Always remember to make sure you have a grease trap holder down below. It can be a piece of foil, it can be a little foil container, but that's what you need down below because this is going to release some grease and it's going to drop in right here. So make sure you have something to catch it or it's going to be a big mess. Be right back. All right, guys, it's time to flip these burgers over. As I said before, they're not going to take very long. And now I'm going to be adding the cheese because these burgers are almost done. Doesn't take long. All right, my friends, we are finished with these burgers, and they do look great, don't they? Okay, these burgers smell fantastic, so let's go ahead and put them together. I went ahead and toasted up our everything bagel. They're right here, and so I have 2 of those, and they are hot. I will tell you in my hands, they are hot. All right, looks good. All right, what do you like on your burgers? Mustard, mayonnaise, ketchup? Let me know down in the comments below. I'd like to know what you like. Since we're using a fancy burger, I'm going to use a fancy mustard, which is a stone ground mustard. Just a little bit. Okay, we'll smear that all around. You know, on burgers, I like a lot of mayonnaise, to be honest with you. So that's why you see quite a bit on mine, and I like to have it on the bottom and the top as well. I'm going to set the burgers here on the buns. Just like that. There we go. Now, for the great tomato, goes on top. I like to put 2 big slices. Just like that. A little lettuce because everyone knows we got to make this healthy, right? Absolutely. My little dog Teddy, which you cannot see right now, is staring up at me saying, please Dad, hurry up. All right, my friends, here we go. It is the Wagyu burger with the toasted everything bagel. It looks fantastic. Take a look at that, would you? You can see this from all angles. And of course, you cannot have a burger without French fries. So I have some French fries here for us as well. Okay, I want to thank you very much for watching the video today. Really do appreciate it. Please do me a favor, give us a big thumbs up. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please do so. It really helps us out. Hope you enjoyed this Wagyu beef burger. See you next time.